Nakita niyo naman na yung part 1 ng aming empty house tour at syempre, ito na ang susunod. Hello mga Zooks! Nakita niyo naman na yung part 1 ng aming empty house tour at syempre, ito na ang susunod, ang part 2 ng ating tour sa aming bagong renovated na bahay.
Yes, so upstairs is actually a semi-furnished house tour. The reason being is because we've been here for about 4 or 5 weeks. Parang ganun. So, syempre, we had to furnish the place and make it a little bit livable for the kids while they were fixing the downstairs.
Basically, tumira kami dito habang tinatapos nila yung mga kailangan tapusin sa baba. Let's go! Ito yung stairs natin. Originally, itong stairs na to ay open. Pero ang ginawa namin, nilagyan namin siya ng sinara namin siya kasi ayaw namin na si Mimi magkaroon ng aksidente dito dahil sobrang likot niya nga. So, ito na siya. Bago na siyang stairs. Pero original pa to ha. Hindi namin to pinalitan. Pero kasi may plan kami dito ni Andy sa mga susunod.
This is our staircase from the other view. As you can see here, it's the original wood floorings as Diana said. But we do plan to change that. So you'll see that in the full house tour, it will look completely different. And as you can see, there's a couple sockets there down the end where we do plan to put some lights and probably some artwork here kasi medyo empty space na yan. So dapat may konting decoration.
Ayan, syempre pag akyat nyo dito sa hallway natin, kailangan meron tayong CCTV from Alphatech pa rin yan. Dahil nga ito, yung area na to, masyado siyang complicated, especially kapag pababa or paakyat ka. So dapat meron tayong CCTV para mamamonitor natin kung ano yung pwedeng accident na mangyari. Wag naman sana, pero at least makikita natin kung ano yung nangyari. So thank you so much Alphatech dahil buong bahay ko may Alphatech tayo na CCTV.
Alright guys, as you can see, this is our mini hallway and it is completely bare for now. We do plan to put some decorations here. We're thinking about having a cabinet kasi medyo sayang space. And maybe some artwork or some decor here just to sort of spruce it up before you enter the kids' room.
So guys, we have 2 rooms dito sa second floor. Ito yung first room, which is room ng mga bata. Kaya halika na. Pasok. So pagpasok mo, ang unang-una mo makikita ay ang sabitan nila ng mga towels. Tapos syempre, ang cabinet at side ni Mimi. Ito ang ating customized bed. Bale, ito yung side ni Mimi. Parehas actually sila ng bed din ni Aliyah. Dinesign to ng ating architect na si Miss Flory from Architrave. Kaya ayan, ito na yung kinalabasan niya. Sobrang happy ako. Tapos ito rin, pina-customize din namin itong cabinet ni Mimi. And then, syempre makikita ninyo, yung colors nila nag-match pa rin sa pinili nating paint na Tuli White from Rain or Shine. So ayan. At ito ang kanilang mini vanity. Dapat actually, ang ano dito, study table. Pero since mga babae sila at kikay, gusto talaga nila ng vanity table. Which is okay lang naman kasi at least may salamin na sila, meron na silang cabinets, at dito nila nilalagay yung ibang mga toys, saka yung mga maliliit nila na items. At least, naka-organize na dito yan. And then, meron din silang kasamang chair. At gusto ko syempre magpasalamat sa Vanity Mirror Manila kasi nakita ko to sa kanila and talaga namang pina-customize ko din yung size nito dahil maliit nga lang and for the kids talaga. So kung gusto niyo rin magpa-customize, pwede rin sa kanila. Sobrang bilis nilang kausap. So ito, kung makikita niyo yung feel nito, napakaganda. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa material na to eh. Pero yan siya. Tapos very safe for Mimi kasi she's always jumping. So ito, malambot yan. So, pag nauntog pa naman siya dyan, hindi na siya magkakabukol. Tapos, yung kanilang bed sheets and pillowcases is also from, galing po yan sa Joyce and Diana. So, thank you kasi isang set yung binigay nila sa amin para sa beds ng kids, dun sa room ni King, and syempre sa bedroom din namin mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito siya.
As you can see here, guys, we have a small space. Originally, we thought it would be a space for a bookshelf, but we decided just to keep it open na lang, and we added here basically a sofa bed. So this is a fold-out sofa bed, and it's perfect even for adults. Sobrang malambot, and it's really, really comfortable, and we're happy about this. We put the side table here that we got recently, and we matched it with our curtains. So this is not finished yet because we may put some artwork or we may put some shelves, but the good thing is this room can fit around 6 people when they're staying here. So far we have had a few sleepovers, and 2 are sleeping here, 2 are sleeping on Mimi's bed, and 2 are sleeping there. Sometimes 3 if Mimi is with them.
So ito naman yung side ni Aliyah. As I remember before, itong bedroom nila ay dati kong master's bedroom nung ako ay nakatira pa lang dito mag-isa. So ito yung master's bedroom ko. Facing kasi siya sa labas. So maraming dumadaan. Ayoko yun, maingay. Ito din yung area kung saan nakalagay yung bed ko dati. So dito siya sa side na to. And ito yung bed na parehas sila ni Mimi. Parehas na parehas. Magkaiba lang sila ng kung paano lang nilagay. So, meron din siyang vanity, meron din siyang customized na cabinet, and ayan, mas marami lang si Aliyang abubot. Hindi ko naman napapakita kasi hindi naman gamit niya to. Siya nang nag-organize ng gamit niya, mga zubs. Dalagang-dalagan na. Tapos tignan niyo naman ang kanyang mga pictures. Marami. Tapos inorganize niya talaga ang kanyang mga skincare routine. May konti rin siyang mga makeup na galing sa kanyang lola. So, ayan. Tapos, ito pala guys, nakikita nyo, may cabinets din yan. Diyan naman nila nilalagay yung mga kung ano-anong gamit like hairbands, mga panali ng buhok, mga scarf, mga sombrero, yan. Diyan nakalagay. At least, masasabi ko na very organized.
So the nice thing about this room is there is a balcony, but we're not going to show you the balcony yet because we are about to fix it. So this week we have some stuff coming in and we will fix this, but we will leave that for the full house tour. But we do have our curtains, new addition to the home. Wala pang carpet, that will be coming in very soon. And the bathroom we're not going to show you yet because we want to show you that for the full house tour. But this is Aliyah and Amira's room, and they're really happy about it. And we're just happy that they have a big space to play in compared to our house in Australia.
Okay, dito naman tayo sa aming master's bedroom o ang room namin ni Andy. So that's the kids, the stairs, and the big room. Ito kasi yung pinakamalaki. Ayan, pasok. So originally, itong bedroom namin na to ay 2 bedroom to combined. Yun yung original floor plan ng bahay na ito. Yung kids bedroom, sinabi ko kanina, na yun yung master's bedroom ko. Dati-dati pa. So ito, pinag-isa ko siya. Tapos, dati meron tong sariling, meron siyang common toilet lang. Pero ito na nga, pinalaki ko siya dahil gusto ko dati, mas malaki yung space. At saka, ayoko nang nakaharap ako doon dahil dati maingay. So, from taping ako dati, ayoko nung nasa daanan ako. So, palagi nadadaanan. Nagigising ako agad pag tulog pa ako, tas galing sa taping. So, okay. As you enter, makikita ninyo ang aming, syempre, unang-una natin ay ang, eto daddy. Sa mga previous vlog namin, nagpunta kami sa Home Factory. Nakita ninyo na ito yung mga una naming nakuha, which is the Lazy Boy. And eto siya. Na-vlog ko na din to eh. Pero gusto ko lang din ipakita sa inyo para naman makita ninyo kung anong klase itong Lazy Boy natin. Yan siya. Tapos nare-recline pa siyang ganyan. So, huwag na nating i-recline masyado. Tapos, manual siya kasi mas madali siyang gamitin para sa akin. Ha? Tapos, syempre, ang ating side table. Na-vlog din namin to ni Andy sa inyo at nabili namin siya sa Furniture Republic. Ayan, 2 yan. Tag-isa kami ni Andy. Ito yung side niya, which is pwede siyang maging comfortable dito while watching TV. Then this is Andy's side table.
And this is our bed. So it's a queen size bed. We did plan to go for king size, but we went for a queen size because we figured it's about time that it's just me and Diana in the bed. and not the kids. So the kids have their room. This is our space. As you see here, we have our bed cover from Joyce and Diana. Super smooth, and I love it. It's very comfortable. It's nice to sleep on. We also got the bed here from Home Factory Outlet also, and it's just a sort of gray color with a little bit of texture, which we really like. And we did design this with the lights to be popping out, which we enjoy, especially at night. It's nice to use. And of course, our mattress is from Eurotex. Eurotex was actually one of the first things that we got also. It's just been sitting here in the house while we were renovating, but now it is here on our bed, and I can say that we are having the best sleeps for the longest time. Recently, we just got our curtains installed by ARC. So as you can see here, we went for a light color. We didn't want it to be too much boom in the room, so we wanted to stay with the theme. But on the other side of this curtains is actually a balcony. So it's not finished yet, so we're not going to show you, but we do have a plan to have a coffee table and some lights and a nice design. So we'll leave that for the full house tour.
Ayan, dito naman tayo sa aking area. Kung ang area ni Andy ay ang lazy boy, ako naman, this area is my vanity. So dito ako nag-aayos. Dito ko nilagay yung mga makeup ko, lahat ng mga abubot ko ba. So, nakuha ko naman tong vanity na to. Nakita ko siya sa Instagram, sa Vanity Mirror Manila. And kagaya rin ng vanity ng mga bata, pare-parehas kami. Pero syempre sa akin, mas malaki kasi mas marami akong gamit sa kanila. At syempre, mas magiging useful to dahil, yun nga, mas madaming drawers yung pinili ko. Ito, may light siya, yung salamin. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tara! Ayan. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya dahil pinipindot na lang, pinipress na lang, magla-light na siya. So, ayan. May different sizes to. Actually, ito, pina-customize ko yung size niya kasi medyo maluwag yung area ko na to. Kaya, thankful ako dahil nakuha nila yung size na gusto ko kasi hindi siya nakakasikip. Saktong-sakto lang sa area. Ayan, dito naman sa area na to, sorry, hindi pa siya masyadong ayos, pero nilagay lang muna namin yung mga gamit namin na pwede namin ma-display ng konti. Pero as you can see, medyo puro boxes, cramps, tapos mga bag ko lang na konti, yan, tapos pabango. Tapos yung mga awards kasi, nandun pa sa bahay ng mami ko, yung iba halos. So, kung ano lang yung nadala namin dito last year, ito lang yung mga nandito. So, marami pa siyang pwedeng ilagay. Tapos yung mga boxes tatanggalin ko. Kailangan ko lang talagang i-organize ng mabuti.
And here we have our 86-inch LG TV, and we absolutely love it. It's a beautiful addition to the room. Over the past few years, even in our house in Australia and our previous house, we actually didn't have a TV in the room for the longest time. So having this here gives us a lot of time to stream and watch our vlogs and watch movies, which we do before we go to sleep. So thank you to our secret admirer for this beautiful TV. With the TV comes this huge cabinet. The cabinet starts from obviously the start of the room and it goes all the way down to the end of the room. And it's a lot bigger than what we did have in Australia. Australia, we only had 2 sides, so we did really struggle for room, especially when it comes to our clothes. So we're not going to show you the inside because it's not finished yet. We haven't fixed it. We'll save that part for the full house tour. But yeah, we did go for the L shape. We did want to make sure that we use this space. It did used to have cabinets, but they were very old and they weren't very nice. So we went with this white modulated style and we love it. And as you can see here, as we mentioned, we do not have carpet yet. So that's something you'll see in the full house tour. We are preparing it, but for now we've been living with the wood floors. And if you're a wood lover, I'm very sorry, but it's not for us because we felt like we made this house very modern already. And we just thought that having carpet would be a better addition. And it's something that we're used to in Australia, having carpet on the second floor.
Ayan mga Zoom, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming house tour part 2. Gusto lang namin mag-thank you syempre sa lahat ng mga naging part ng aming journey sa renovation. Unang-una syempre ang rain or shine para sa painting ng buong bahay namin.
Yes, and also to Alphatech for our CCTV.
And ang home store para sa aming shower, mga sink, mga vanity sink, ayan. Sila ang nag-provide nun sa amin. Doon namin sila binili.
Also to Joyce and Diana for our bed sheets. Also for our lazy boy and our bed from Home Factory Outlet.
And syempre, ang ating Vanity Mirror Manila. Thank you po. Ang Uratex para sa aming mattress. At syempre sa Cara Aesthetics sa pagpo-provide sa amin ng construction. At syempre kay Ate Flory sa aming architect ng Architrave. Kay Kuya Mike Deslande sa aming engineer. Ang dami-dami sa lahat po ng tumulong sa amin para matayo ang bahay namin. Thank you so much! Super happy kami na unti-unti nang nabubuo ang lahat. So, abangan ninyo yung part 3 ng aming house tour dahil sigurado ko, doon sa part 3 na yan, buo na, kumpleto na ang bahay natin.
Yes, we just have a few more pieces to go and it will be an absolutely fantastic house tour. We hope. It's been our dream to have a house for more than, I don't know how many years now. And finally, it's happening.
Yeah.
And we have our kids with us now, so that dream is all coming to life. So thank you guys, and we'll see
Thank you mga Zoobs! Bye!